Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to download and install Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 for free. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop, I just open Start menu. I just go to Microsoft Store. So Microsoft Store contain all kind of applications. So it is easy to download and access entire application. So once I open Microsoft Store, so this is Microsoft Store. So you have your home page. So on top you will find an option called Search App and Games. So just type Visual Studio Code. So once you type Visual Studio Code, the Visual Studio Code application will be open here. So this is Visual Studio Code. So you can insert the code, lightweight and extensible code editor for building web, desktop and mobile applications. So most of the people would be like to download Visual Studio Code and they can able to develop their skills. So what you have to do here, this is a free one. Just click install. Once you click install, the installation process will be start over here. So this is my Visual Studio application. So that using this Visual Studio application, so I can able to develop my codes and I can able to check what are the codes or application will be available. Everything will be there. So using this option to download your Visual Studio Code and install in your laptop or Mac, and you can use and get the access with the free. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.